Go to 3D Max, open the Spline tab, and select Line. Work in front view. Create half of the outline of the vase. If you hold Shift while drawing, the lines will be straight. You can press backspace to undo the last action. To smooth the corners, go to Vertex Fillet, select one or several vertexes and drag upward. Exit vertex mode. In the modifier list, choose Lathe. At the bottom, click Min and check Weld Core so the vase doesn't break. Increase the segments value to make the shape smooth. That's it. Your vase is ready. You can press Alt+X to see it in transparent mode.